Hi.
Hi.
Wow, babe, you smell so nice. I like your aroma.
What?
Oh, long, and you are so pretty. Are you from this planet? Because you look like an angel.
This is a sobo.
Let's be dating each other.
What?
Yes.
Goon like stab?
No, gun like injection is high bomb bomb.
Come on. I don't do anything with guys I don't date.
Ah, perfect. Let's date then. I can even marry you on the spot.
This sounds too good to be true. Guy, you break my heart.
If I break your heart, let my prick not function again. In fact, let my mom say die.
Stop! Why would you say that to your mom?
Oh, that let my pop say die. I just want to spend the rest of my life with you, baby girl.
Really?
I swear to God who made me.
Wow. Oh yeah now.
Irony, o kò fẹ́ dún ẹni o.
No, I think he really loves me. Keko fucking down.
Ah, Suberu, pẹ̀lẹ́ o, animal sound. He's gonna fuck you like crazy. Ó dẹ̀ mọ́ dọ́fẹ́. What is wrong with this man? It's people like you that make others say that men think with their penis. Analgesic. Your brain is there for you to think, but no, ẹ̀pọ̀n ẹ ló ń direct yẹ. You left your wife at home. Ó wá wá bí ó wá ń fọ́ọ̀mù sweet boy. Òun kọ poetry fọmọ lọ́mọ, òun sì náà òsì. Ó fẹ́ fi irọ́ àti punchline, ó fẹ́ fi kápátá ń dẹ ẹni o. Hey, Baba, ẹ má pariwo. You know I don't dey respect you since morning. Baby, chill, let me deal with this. Baba, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ló ń rìn mí létí?
Eskele bèbè tí ò lè rèé.
Ire o. Sweetheart.
Could have killed a lot.
Sneaky, please don't hit me.